We're all feeling stressed these days, so we designed a therapeutic stamp set that is meant to help you de-stress and keep calm. Here's how it works. Drawing and colouring mandala designs is an excellent way to decompress. The geometric and repetitive nature of a mandala allows you to perform repetitive actions in a soothing and therapeutic way, to relieve yourself of stresses that your mind is focused on. You don't have to concentrate very hard while colouring a mandala, but the symmetry of the design is very satisfying to the mind and eye. Our dotted mandala stamp set takes those principles into the shape of the stamp set, so you can stamp the repetitive designs and colour them with acrylic markers, enamel dots, gem sparkles, or other tools at your disposal. We hope that this stamp set allows you a few minutes out of your busy day to decompress and gain some relaxation that will get you through the chaos of your week. Comment below your favourite way to distress.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.